I oftentimes get questions asked regarding who can serve as a trustee or executor in your estate plan. And the biggest one is, can I identify a family member to act in that role? And the answer is yes. You can, of course, choose a family member to act in that role. In California, the only requirement that we have for somebody to act as a trustee is that they be a US citizen and over the age of 18. And so having a family member or a family friend, somebody that you trust, is always available to be able to be an option for you. If you can't think of somebody that you would want in this very important role, it's also a possibility that you have what we would call a professional fiduciary. So, this is somebody that you would identify from a specific company or a fiduciary brokerage that was able to act in that role. This may not be somebody in a role that is potentially a bank. Those are kind of two different things that we would look at in that role, but you do have the ability to choose a professional. If you are considering putting your estate plan together and you're looking at two family members that you want to act as what we would call co-trustees or co-executors, this is absolutely okay to do. However, I would caution on the potential conflict that can arise by having two people act in the same role. What if they didn't always get along? What if they're going to butt heads on certain situations? What if one is more of a bully than the other one and the other one's going to get taken advantage of? You know your people. So it's important that you choose the person that you think is going to be the most fairest amongst all your beneficiaries. Just because they're in charge doesn't mean that they get to call the shots, right? They have to follow your instructions. And so it's important to make sure that you're putting somebody in that role that you think is going to be a good fit. Because if they are not a good fit and there are issues, the beneficiaries can always bring court action against them and have them removed.